Welcome to this special guided meditation session designed to offer you immediate relief from anxiety. As you join us today, know that this journey is tailored to bring you tranquility, understanding, and most importantly, a profound sense of immediate calm. Let's embark on this journey together, unlocking the serenity that lies within you. Begin by finding a comfortable position. Whether you're seated or lying down, allow your body to relax into its natural, most comforting state. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in and out. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present in this moment. In our busy lives, anxiety can often feel overwhelming, like a heavy cloak draped over our shoulders. Today, let's gently lift that cloak, breath by breath, revealing the lightness and peace that's always been inside you. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a wave of relaxation slowly descending from there, washing over your forehead, your eyes, down to your cheeks and jaw. Let this wave carry away all tension, leaving a trail of calm in its wake. Now, imagine this soothing wave moving down to your neck and shoulders. Feel the weight of the world lifting off you, as if you're becoming lighter with every breath. This moment is about you, about returning to your center, to a state of peace and equilibrium. Your journey to tranquility is not just a path, but a destination in itself. Each step, each breath is a treasure, enriching your experience, deepening your understanding of your own inner peace. As you continue to breathe deeply, let's explore a powerful technique to dissolve anxiety instantly. This is known as the grounding technique. Picture yourself standing on a serene beach. Feel the cool, soft sand under your feet. With each breath, imagine drawing up the calm, stable energy of the earth into your body. The earth's energy is unwavering, steady, and it flows into you, creating a sense of solidity and calm. Just like the earth, you are strong, you are steady. Hold on to this feeling, knowing that at any moment you can return to this place of strength and serenity. Now, gently shift your focus to your heart. Often, anxiety stems from a place of worry or fear. Let's address these feelings with compassion and understanding. Envision a warm, soft light emanating from your heart, enveloping any worry or fear, transforming them into peace and understanding. This light is a reflection of your inner strength, your ability to heal and find balance. Feel the warmth of this light as it assures you, comforts you, and reminds you of your innate ability to overcome anxiety. As we move deeper into our meditation, remember that you're not just finding temporary relief. You're rediscovering a part of you that's always been calm, always been serene. You're unlocking the door to a state of peace that's always available to you, anytime, anywhere. As we continue this journey, let's delve into the power of mindfulness, a technique that brings immense value in calming the mind and soothing anxiety. Mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment, embracing the now with acceptance and grace. In this space, let's practice mindfulness together. Focus on your breath. Notice how the air feels as it enters your nostrils, cool and refreshing. Observe it as it flows through your body, filling you with life and then leaving, taking with it any remnants of stress or tension. Mindfulness isn't about changing your thoughts or fighting anxiety. It's about acknowledging and observing them without judgment. As thoughts come, let them be. As they go, let them go. Each thought is like a cloud in the sky, passing by, not defining your sky, not defining you. Now, Gently guide your attention to the sounds around you. The distant chirp of a bird, the subtle rustle of leaves, or the soft hum of the world. Each sound connects you to the present, a present where anxiety has no hold, a present where you are in control. In this state of awareness, you start to realize your own power. The power to choose how you react to your thoughts and feelings. The power to choose calm over chaos, peace over turmoil. Let's further explore this power with a visualization exercise. Picture a calm, serene lake in your mind. Its surface is smooth, undisturbed. This lake represents your mind. When anxiety arises, it's like a stone thrown into the lake, creating ripples. But remember, the ripples are temporary. The lake always returns to its calm state, just as your mind does. Every breath you take is like a gentle breeze, smoothing the surface of the lake. Your mind, back to tranquility. Breathe in calm, breathe out turmoil. With each breath, feel the lake becoming smoother, your mind becoming quieter. This visualization is a powerful tool. It's not just a momentary escape, but a technique that adds lasting value to your mental well-being. Like the finest pearls formed under the pressure in the depths of the ocean, your ability to find peace under pressure is a precious asset, a gift you give to yourself. Let's deepen this sense of peace with a body scan meditation. This technique is designed to connect you to each part of your body, releasing tension and anxiety as we go. Begin with your feet. Feel them. Are they tense? Are they relaxed? Just observe. Now, send a wave of relaxation to them. Feel the muscles loosen, the tension dissolve. This wave of relaxation moves up to your legs, your knees, your thighs. With each breath, let go of more and more tension. Now, focus on your back. From the lower back up to the shoulders, feel the wave smoothing out every knot, every bit of tightness. Your back supports you every day. Now, give it the gift of relaxation. Move to your arms, your hands, each finger. Let them relax. They do so much for you. Now, they deserve rest. Finally, your neck, your face, your head. Let the wave of relaxation wash over them, leaving behind a feeling of lightness, of peace. As you complete the body scan, notice the profound sense of relaxation in your body. You're not just relaxed, you're rejuvenated, empowered. This state of relaxation is a testament to your inner strength, a reminder that you have the power to bring peace to your mind and body. As we prepare to move into the final part of our meditation, remember that every step in this journey is a step towards a more peaceful, centered you. The techniques we're exploring are tools for life, invaluable resources that you carry within you always. As we enter the final part of our meditation, let's embrace a sense of gratitude. Gratitude has the remarkable power to shift our perspective, to transform anxiety into appreciation, and to open our hearts to the present moment's abundance. Begin by bringing to mind something you are grateful for. It could be as simple as the air you breathe, the comfort of your surroundings, or a loving relationship in your life. Focus on this feeling of gratitude. Let it fill your heart, radiating warmth and light throughout your entire being. With this warmth in your heart, understand that gratitude isn't just a feeling, but a powerful tool. It anchors you in the now, highlights the positives in your life, and reduces the space for anxiety and worry. Gratitude turns what we have into enough and more. Now, let's combine our gratitude with affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you challenge and overcome negative thoughts. Repeat after me, either out loud or in your mind. I am at peace with myself. and my surroundings. I am in control of my breath and my thoughts. I am grateful for this moment, and I embrace it with an open heart. I am strong, resilient, and capable of overcoming any challenge. Each of these affirmations is a seed of positivity planted in the fertile ground of your mind. As you nurture them with belief and repetition, they grow into powerful truths, reshaping your reality, empowering you to face and dissolve anxiety. In this state of gratitude and affirmation, let's return to our breath. Notice how it flows more freely, more lightly. Your breath is a testament to your resilience, your capacity to face challenges and emerge stronger. Now, visualize yourself carrying this sense of peace and empowerment into your daily life. Imagine facing challenges with a calm, centered mind. Envision yourself returning to these techniques whenever you need them, knowing they are always there for you, always effective. Remember, the value of today's meditation extends far beyond these moments. You've gained tools, insights, and practices that will enrich your life, helping you to manage anxiety and embrace a more peaceful existence. As we draw this meditation to a close, take a moment to thank yourself for this act of self-care. You've taken a significant step today in your journey towards inner peace and well-being. Carry this sense of calm and confidence with you as you gently open your eyes, returning to the world around you, refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to embrace life with a renewed sense of purpose and peace. Thank you for joining this meditation. Remember, you are always capable of finding this peace within you. It's not just a temporary state. It's a part of who you are. As you continue your day, hold on to this tranquility, this strength, and know that you are not alone on this journey. We are here with you, every step of the way.